Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to import data from Yahoo Finance step by step. Open Yahoo Finance and search the ticker, then click Historical Data to set timeframe and frequency. Download the CSV file to a clear folder on your computer. Next, open Excel or Google Sheets and use the Import or Data from Text/CSV option. Choose the file, confirm delimiters, and your historical prices will load ready for analysis. Start by opening the CSV to inspect the columns and date formats so you avoid import errors. Remove any extra header notes, blank rows, or summary lines that might confuse Excel or Sheets. If needed, normalize date formats to a consistent style before import. Save a backup copy in case you need the original raw file later. These simple checks make the import smoother and keep your data accurate for analysis. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can make more useful tutorials. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof meal prep containers make meal planning easy and mess-free, just like organizing financial data saves time. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grab one, it helps support the channel. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. In Google Sheets, choose File Import and upload the CSV file you downloaded from Yahoo Finance. Pick whether to replace the current sheet or insert a new sheet so your layout stays organized. Set the separator type to comma and confirm date parsing looks correct in the preview. Finish the import and check that Open, High, Low, Close, Edge Close, and Volume columns appear properly for further calculations or charting in your spreadsheet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.